Hi all, and welcome to another episode of Driven by Detailers. Today I'm going to show you two products that are the best bug removers I've ever used, all in under 1 minute. As we know, time is money when being a professional detailer, and our products are formulated with that in mind. I'm also showing this video to you with light water pressure. This also showcases how powerful the products are without needing a pressure washer or a hard jet stream of water. What I'm using today is our 2063 HD Bug Remover on the left side and our 90186 Orange Muscle on the right side. Both are paired with our 82015 Bug Sponge. These products are to be used on a cool surface and not in direct sunlight. Let's get started. First, let's start with our HD Bug Remover on the left. Always start by wetting the surface to be cleaned with water. You can mix our product up to 1 part product to 10 parts water, but my personal preference in knowing this product well, I use it straight from the bottle without any dilution. I simply spray the surface to be cleaned and agitate with the bug sponge and wash off. Ta-da! Super easy and super quick. Now, let's move on to the right side of the car with our 90186 Orange Muscle. This is our aerosol all-purpose cleaner, but because most of our detailers have this product in their arsenal already, it's a quick, easy way to get stubborn bugs off the painted surface without adding an additional product to your lineup. With this product, I do not get the surface wet before beginning. I just spray down the whole area that has bugs. I let it sit for about 15 seconds. You'll start to see the bugs emulsify. Sometimes they'll even turn yellow and then slide down the painted surface. For extra stubborn bugs, use our bug sponge and agitate the surface like I'm doing here. Once you've done that, go ahead and spray it off with water. Voila! As simple as that. 2 ways, all in under 1 minute. Let us know this video was helpful by liking and commenting below. We'd love to hear what other products you'd like to be showcased on our channel. Thanks for watching another episode.